Nothing to it.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Nothing Tool It. I'm your host, the Tool It Guy, and welcome to the hot confines of my van. That's right, today we're going to be changing the cabin filter. For anyone who needs to know, this is a 2015 Dodge Caravan XST that I'll be changing the cabin filter on. The filter is typically located behind the glove box. Before we get to that, I'm going to explain what the cabin filter actually does. This filter essentially protects the air inside your vehicle. What I mean by that is it filters out pollutants, dust, and debris within the cabin of your vehicle, which is the inside of your car where you drive. What you might notice before needing a cabin filter change is that you might have a reduced quality in your air conditioning system. Well, this could be due to your filter being plugged up. So before you take it to a mechanic and get into expensive costs, possibly even changing an air conditioner unit that might not even need to be changed, let's try changing the cabin filter first. This is going to be a really tightly spaced video, so I'm hoping I can get you inside here to take a look at where it really is. I'm going to do that while trying to hold the camera, so forgive me for a little bit of shakiness and whatever might happen during the video, but we're going to dive right into this. First thing we're going to do is open up our glove box and empty out all the stuff that you have inside. Once you have it emptied out, you'll notice that it's really flexible on the edges. These arms actually flex out and pop loose, letting you drop the glove box just a little bit further so you can get at that space behind. I'll show you a close-up of that in a second. This here is the little peg or wing or arm, whatever you might want to call it on your glove box. This is the part that I was flexing to get past this little wall edge here. When you're trying to put it back in place, you'll have to flex it forward to get it behind there. And when removing it, flex it around. On the inside, see if I can get close enough here. On the inside, this is the door to where your cabin is. On the end here, there's a tab. On the other end, there's a tab as well. Sometimes they're clips, but basically what you'll be able to do is reach in and flex the clip off, popping it open, revealing your filter. The filter is this white thing right here. It's supposed to be white. Mine is a dusty, dirty gray color, which is what we're trying to fix. In order to get that filter out, simply just reach your hand in, grab onto one of the fins, and slide it out. This is what the filter looks like that I just pulled out of my vehicle. As you can see, there's all kinds of dust, dirt, debris, leaves. There's so much stuck in there. It's unbelievable right now. I should have done this a long time ago. This is way overdue compared to this nice white looking filter, which is what we're going to put back into my van right now. Another little detail you're going to want to notice on your filter is that there's a spot where it says airflow and it's pointing down. The airflow inside the place where the cabin filter goes down this way. So I'm going to put mine oriented in that way. So you can see here there's this rectangular space where we pulled the filter out of. Simply going to line up the new filter. Slide it in place. Once it's in place, you'll be able to put that cap back on, which had the clips on the sides. Give it a couple tugs to make sure it's actually secured properly. And then you will close the glove box back up, pushing inwards on these wings or arms, getting it past this so that it's set back up again. I'll demonstrate that in a moment. When you're ready to close your glove box, Make sure some of these wires that you have are tucked out of the way. You might have certain things going through your glove box area that goes to maybe a GPS or a camera or something. Make sure those are clear of any pinch points. Simply lift, pinch in the arms on both sides, allowing it to hook. Now you can open and close your glove box and your cabin filter is installed. When complete, just simply throw away the old filter and you're ready to go. Turn on your van or your vehicle, whatever it is you changed your filter in, and just test out to see if the air quality is changed, the air conditioner is working better. If you're still having trouble, then maybe it's time to go to a mechanic and test out what might actually be wrong with your vehicle. Until then, there's nothing to it.